Hello, Lavington girls. Are you well? I am also so humbled to stand before you. My name is Lynette Kenya. I am a model, I am a preacher, I am a speaker, and I'm a PR consultant. I'm also an author. I've written my book entitled Overcame, and my advocacy is on mental health. If you have seen what is going on lately, we are losing so many people to suicide. You know that, right? We are losing young people, old people, people are committing suicide. We have so many people getting depression, and we are losing the future of tomorrow because we are not tackling mental health. Sindio. So I myself have been a victim of depression and suicidal thoughts. And the only way I was able to do and overcome that was by the word of a testimony. I remember in that point I had Mr. Harvey, Steve Harvey. You know Steve Harvey? You know him, right? So I was listening to a speech he was speaking about how he went from rags to riches. And that was the lowest point of my life. And I remember thinking that if Mr. Harvey could go from this position to this position, well, then I can. Therefore, I started what I call as Awaken. It is a platform that we can all empower one another. Sindo, if you've come to realize in this world, there is nothing new, not a single thing. Nothing is new under the sun. Anything that you think you are going through, someone else has gone through it before you. Sindio, anything that is, causing you pain right now, someone else has gone through it, has solved it, has overcome it. And if we were able to talk to one another and share each other's testimonies, we'll be able to overcome these menace. Sindio. So what I encourage, and I do a lot of high school outreaches, is speak to one another. And that is what I've been doing through my advocacy, Awaken Circles, whereby people can just come in, share what they are going through, have others listen, and share how they also went through the same and they also overcame. If we can all just be each other's sisters, if we can all just listen to one another, empower one another, we would actually make it. The people who commit suicide feel as though they are alone in these situations. They feel as though they can't make it. But if you come in and tell them, you know what you're going through, I went through it, but this is how I overcame it, you'll encourage that someone to overcome it. Sindio. So please, I encourage you, Lavington girls, listen to one another, speak to one another, and share your experiences with one another, because we overcome by the word of our testimonies. God bless you.
Hallelujah.
Right, so can we all be upstanding for our winner? Can we all be upstanding for our winner?
Wow.
We celebrate someone who took her pain and turned it into gain for the society. Being as young as you are and being an author of a book, taking on mental health, which is such a big challenge, giving counseling to schools. You called it the inner circle or the circle. Yeah, we used to have circle time. It's so important. The Wazees used to have the chief. So our winner today, who's going to represent Kenya, is Lynette Kenya. Congratulations. Lynette will get 15,000 shillings. Please, the runway is yours. Let's
Wapi makofi yake tafadhali. Appreciate our winner. Huyo ndiye anabeba bendera ya Kenya in Cambodia. Wale hatutaenda Cambodia, DJ Afro atatupeleka.
Cambodia awaits you. Right?
Thank you. Wapi makofi yake tafadhali? Wale hatuta manage kwenda Cambodia, DJ Afro atatupeleka. Asante sana Mama Pasaris na Mama Beatrice Elachi. Madam Winnie Kibaki, thank you so much for this.
All right, let's have one more runway walk with your crown. Congratulations.
Appreciate her tafadhali. wacha apelekwe na kaa katikati ya our mothers. Hiyo ni picha ya gazeti. Sasa kesho utaiona kwa news kwa gazeti. Yeah. Right. A round of applause to our women, tafadhali, our beautiful women, our waheshimiwa Honorable Esther Passaris, Madam Beatrice, na pia kiongozi wao wa Universal Women, wapigieni makofi tafadhali. Appreciate them. Thank you so much.
So thank you so much. A round of applause. DJ weka wimbo wa Kiteremukanga. Wimbo poa. DJ tupeleke Tanzania. Peleka sisi Tanzania ndio niite sasa wa mama mbio. Mama anataka kwenda, tutaenda pa mbio sana, hutaamini. 5 minutes you are out of here. Bush.
Okay, under NGAF, the National Government Affirmative Action Fund, we had a project for giving out cocoa jikos. The cocoa cookers are actually for clean energy. Dagoretti had an allocation, but Mama Dago felt that a few of her